Hello everybody, and welcome to the next video in the eOPSEC 101 course, OPSEC for Absolute Beginners. In the last video, we went over Proton VPN and how to install it on Android, and for the final Proton VPN video on this channel, I swear we're almost done with it, we are going to discuss how to install it on iOS. Now there is one major difference between installing it on Android and installing it on iOS, and that difference is, on Android, you did not have to make a Proton account to use it. You could use it as a guest, but on iOS, you do have to make an account. So we're going to go to the App Store. We're going to go to Search, Games, Apps, Stories, and More, and we're going to type in Proton VPN. Wow, if I could type today, that'd be great. I don't use iPhone all that much, so that's why I'm terrible at typing on it. VPN. Search. We're going to go to the one that says Proton VPN Fast and Secure. Your button will probably say Get, but since I've used it before, it's a cloud download button. So go ahead and tap whichever button you have, and it will either ask for a password or not. But yeah, at this point, you'd put in your password, and then we'll go ahead and tap Open. So as you can see, Proton VPN, it does say create an account and sign in. You cannot use it as a guest. So we're going to tap Create an Account. And in this case, we're going to create our own Proton Mail account. So we'll tap Create a Secure Proton Mail Address instead, and then create your Proton account. So in this case, I'm going to put James Martin, blah, 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 blah. And of course, you can change your domain if you want to. Doesn't change anything with how it works. But in this case, I'm just going to leave it as proton.me. We'll tap Next, and it'll say Create your password. So in this case, I'm just going to create a blank or, a random password, because if I don't, you're all going to know what my main password is. So I'm going to put I love OPSEC 2025 at. I love OPSEC 2025 at. Make sure these are the same. Indeed they are. We're going to do Next, Set Recovery Method. I'm not going to do that. We'll go ahead and tap Skip. Skip again. Your account is being created, and it will ask for human verification. It's going to ask you to do this every time. In this case, it just has us do a CAPTCHA, which will be quick and easy to do. But in some cases, it doesn't allow you to do a CAPTCHA. It'll tell you to use an email or something like that. If it does, feel free to go ahead and just pause this video, create your account, and then come back once you have it created. So now it's at securing your account. You don't see anything like this when you make an account on the computer. Creating your account, generating your address, securing your account, and configuring your VPN access. Welcome to Proton VPN. We're going to go ahead and tap Continue. And share anonymous usage statistics, we're going to turn that off. And share anonymous crash reports, we're also going to turn that off. Tap Get Started. And we are going to tap the X in the top left to dismiss the VPN Plus feature. We got what's new, tap Take a Look, and now we are at the same screen we would be on if we were using it on our Android device. And just as before, we're going to tap Connect. On Android, it does not allow you to choose what country you connect to, so you can only do the fastest country. Proton VPN would like to add VPN configurations. Go ahead and tap Allow. It'll bring you over here. You're going to put in your iPhone passcode, and it's going to bring us back to the Proton VPN screen. Give it a second, and eventually we will be connected. And as you can see, we are connected to United States server number 100. And that is going to be how you connect to Proton VPN on iOS. This, of course, covers iPhone, iTablet, I don't know what you'd call it. I'm going to just go say an iPad, I think is what it is. iPods, if they still exist. But you get the idea. Of course, if you restart your phone or you switch networks, just go ahead and come back to the app and make sure that you're still connected. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did and you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and also consider liking and commenting on this video. It helps get this video out to more people via engagement, and it helps give me the drive to make more videos like this in the future. Either way, my name is James Martin. You guys have been amazing for listening, and I will see you in IVPN for Windows. That, again,